Our second pair that we went to this. I got a whole set of the measuring tape of these up if it get wet, but at least these guys smell nice. They're nice. I leave that up to her. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you could tell by the title of the video, we just got back from another wonderful Disney trip and I'm going to show you what I got. This is not a big haul because we just came back from a trip in February and then we went again like a month later because I found a great deal and I'm actually going again in June for my birthday. So I didn't buy too many things, but I want to show you what I got, and because I like seeing the hauls what everyone got too, because I like watching these type of videos. So first, if you're new here, my name is Lauren. I'm a full-time working mom. I have a 3-year-old daughter named Lucia. I have an 18-year-old stepdaughter named Jules. We do love to go to Disney a lot. I have an annual pass, so I bring my toddler to Disney quite a bit. Yeah, so if this kind of content you're into, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, and let me show you what I got. All right, so here's the bag. I haven't looked at this since we were at Disney, so I might be kind of like surprised the things I got as well. All right, and I think I actually even took one of the t-shirts out. I already wore it, so I'm gonna have to find it and I'll insert that hopefully here in the video. But yeah, so since we're talking about the t-shirt, I did not wear this one yet. So this one says I never miss a rope drop, and it's got like that vintagey feel. Now, one thing I was telling my boss about, it's so crazy to me, like the Disney t-shirts, I never know what to expect because I have bought the medium before, I bought the large, and sometimes the large fits me. Like I'm just kind of like an average person, but I don't want it like so tight. And it's like, seems like when I buy the large, it's a little bit too big. It's almost like a men's large, but then when I have bought the medium in the past, it's fit tight on me like a small. So I guess I'll just continue to buy the large, but they're so cute. So usually Disney will have the t-shirts to, I think if you buy 2, then they're $25 each, and then because I have an annual pass, I get a discount. Yeah, okay. All right, these Lucia picked out. She was having one of her infamous meltdowns, and she happened to be at Epcot, and she happened to be dressed as Jasmine that day, so she wanted to get Jasmine ears. So these are actually her second pair of ears. Her other ones that she had were Elsa, so now this girl has 2 ears. She kind of like wants them, and then she'll wear them for like 10 minutes and then she's over it. So I don't really like to buy her ears, but she did have money left over from her birthday and Christmas, so I let her just pick it out. Again, these are no particular order. All right, so it looks like we got some pins in this one. All right, so on our last trip, if you haven't, by the way, if you haven't watched my vlogs, go ahead and we stayed at 3 different hotels. We stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Where did we go next? Oh, the Grand Floridian and Boardwalk. So if you're interested to see what I thought and my room tours and all that, go ahead and check those now. So yeah, basically what I've been doing with the pin trading is we haven't really started the pin trading yet, but I've been collecting some pins that I want to keep for Lucia. I'll kind of keep them for myself for right now. But just of all like the different hotels that we have stayed at, where we go. So this one was from the Boardwalk. So cute. Their gift shop was under construction when we went, so I don't know if it's going to be finished or not, but it was kind of weird because they had a big section of the store that was undergoing construction, and we found them by the register. And then this was the Grand Floridian. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I already had the Animal Kingdom Lodge. I'm hoping, otherwise I'm going to have to go back and get one because we've already stayed there once before. We'll see in the bag if I got one. Otherwise, my thought process was that since we just stayed there in September, I might not have picked one up. All right, so the next thing I got is that we went during Flower and Garden. I had to get these cutie orange bird ears. So they were celebrating the 30th anniversary. Now I'm told that, I was told by the cast member selling these that it smells like oranges. I have yet to like smell them. And even when I was there, I was telling her I don't smell it, but it's like, whatever. That's not why I bought it. I bought it because these are great. So I'm planning to use these hopefully every year for Flower and Garden when I go to Epcot. So super excited about my ears that I bought for this trip. And then I had to get the 30th anniversary pin, the Orange Bird Flower and Garden. Hold on, there you go. The little pin here. So that was super cute. And then I had to come home with this. It's not broken, but they have, isn't this adorable? This is like a little spoon holder for my kitchen. So I've already started to use this, but yeah, it's like, it looks like a little broken off Mickey bar. Super cute. You might be able to get this, I think, on, if I'm not mistaken, on the Disney store website. So I probably didn't need to come home with this, but since I was there, I was like, you know, I might as well get it. Then some of these might be in the dishwasher, but I happened to find two real quick. I got a whole set of the measuring tape, so it has like the quarter, third, half, full one. But anyway, so this is just two of the bunch, but they all come in different colors. Again, these you might be able to find these at the Disney store online, but I just figured since I was there, they're like kind of collapsible, which is good, I guess, for space saving, and they're good for cooking with my 3-year-old. But I find them kind of, I'll be honest, I find them kind of annoying when I'm like trying to scoop out rice. It is kind of like weird since they are silicone based. I don't know if they are, if that's what they are. It's probably not going to tell me. It's like a rubbery silicone. But regardless, they're so adorable, and we needed a new set of measuring cups anyway. And to be honest, I don't think they were that bad in price. Might have been about $12. And like I said, I do get the discount on top of that, but they came home with us. All right. And then this has been used, but I had to pick one of these up. If you are a mom or a dad that is watching this channel and you've ever went to Disney with a toddler or a small kid, you know why this is important. First of all, they sell these large lollipops, and not only do they get like it, you can't, I don't know, you know what I'm saying, you can't finish the whole lollipop. And if you like, basically you're going to either put it, like you're gonna end up throwing it away, or it's going to get broken, like it's what has happened to us. But I just thought this was genius. So this wasn't that bad. We bought this at Boardwalk. I believe that they have these at most of the gift shops. So just this is basically a little thing that saves your lollipop. So if I can open this, I don't want to like break it, but of course I'm having trouble. Okay, there we go. So it just opens up, you put your large lollipop inside, and then you close it up. And there's like a little hole here for the stick. So I definitely have to put this through the wash, but I found this when I was gathering everything I wanted to show you guys, and I'm like, you know what, this is so cool. Like, I wish I would have thought about something like this. I could be a millionaire by now. All right, and then I got this spray for my dog. If you've been to Norway, you know it. They have the most amazing like perfume and cologne for women and men in there, and it's called Layla. I ended up converting over. Before that, I used to wear like Clinique Happy since I was in high school. I have now switched over, and that is my go-to perfume. So I'm actually on my second bottle already, but I decided to buy, I know that I think they have like shampoo and stuff for your animals, but I ended up getting this doggy mist. It's basically like a cologne for dogs, so it smells similar to the perfume. So I think my dog's gonna, well, first of all, he's not gonna like it because, you know, my dog does not like to get wet, but at least he's gonna smell nice. So yeah, just super cool. If you've never, or if you're like new to Disney, you don't go there very often, definitely go check out Norway Pavilion and go into the gift shop. It's going to be when you first kind of walk into your left at Norway. It's gonna be, you're gonna smell it from there. They usually, like, a lot of times they'll leave the door open, you could smell, just follow smell. It's not gonna be by the kids like Elsa stuff. That's closer to the ride, the Frozen ride. This is like when you first like enter Norway, it's gonna be on the left. But definitely you gotta check out, and at least if you're hot and sweaty, go spray yourself down with some perfume so you could be smelling extra nice. Oh my gosh, I actually literally didn't get that many things. I did quite well on this trip, believe it or not. All right, so this one is the little orange bird soap, and this is actually going to be a gift from my mom. So how much was this? I don't even know how much the price was, but isn't this adorable? My mom is like super obsessed with Orange Bird. She actually has the 50th anniversary one in her guest bathroom. So now she's gonna have another one for her collection, and maybe she'll want to keep this in the kitchen. I don't know. So I'll leave that up to her. All right, so I guess that's all I have for my quick little haul here. I feel like I bought more things. There's probably things hiding. I'm gonna have to take a look and see what else we got. I know I wanted to go to Pandora to get more charms, and I didn't. Well, I remember I went over there and I wanted to get see if they have any more of the park ones or the Epcot pavilion, like the different countries, but they still had the ones that I saw before, which was Norway and China. So I kind of want to wait and get like maybe France, Italy, and Germany, maybe. Not all three right now because I'm not made of money like that. But I definitely want to start adding them to my collection. So hopefully when I go back in June, maybe they have some new parks up. I don't know. Other than that, oh, my stepdaughter, I don't have the things she bought because she actually brought them for her mom. She got her a mug that said like Mama on it, I think, and it was like a Disney-esque mug. And then she got this little stitch slap bracelet. So those are the gifts that she got. I feel like we're missing something. I'm gonna have to take a look real quick. And if you made this far in the video, go ahead and give this video a like. We're not already friends, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I share a lot of Disney content on my channel. When we're not at Disney, I do like certain like home vlogs, stuff like that. But yeah, we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching, bye! I've been all around the world.